So, first Huawei ditched Google, then they built their own chipsets. And now, Huawei just did the unthinkable. They've officially ditched Windows and macOS too. Yep, Huawei has just launched its very own PC operating system, built entirely on HarmonyOS. And honestly, this could shake the entire PC industry. After the US ban, everyone thought Huawei would fade out. No Google, no Android, no chips. How could they survive? But Huawei didn't just survive, they evolved. First came HarmonyOS for phones, tablets, TVs, wearables. And now, they've taken that same OS and brought it to actual computers. They just announced HarmonyOS for PCs at their big HarmonyOS Computer Technology and Ecosystem Communication event. And this is not some prototype or beta. This is real. This is official. Huawei says they've completely rebuilt the PC operating system from the ground up. They're calling it a full HarmonyOS base with their own kernel, their own Arc engine for performance, and something called Starshield architecture for better security. No Microsoft code, no Google code, no Apple influence. This is 100% Huawei. And it's not just the engine. They've built the whole ecosystem. Right now, there are already 150 plus exclusive HarmonyOS PC apps and over 2,000 compatible apps running smoothly in their system. The UI? Super clean. You get an app dock at the bottom with apps like Settings, Browser, Gallery, Memo, and their own App Store. The top left has shortcuts like My Huawei and File Management. And the whole thing feels fast, organized, and modern. Multi-window performance is super smooth thanks to their Arc graphics engine. And you even get a universal home screen with widget support, something even Windows still hasn't nailed properly. Now, this is huge because Huawei isn't just targeting smartphones anymore. They're directly challenging Windows and macOS. They started with phones and HarmonyOS. Then came their own chipsets like Kirin and Ascend. And now they've got an actual HarmonyOS PC. This is a complete ecosystem: phones, tablets, wearables, TVs, cars, and now computers, all running on Huawei's own software. And now, other brands like Xiaomi are following in their footsteps. Even Xiaomi is working on its own chipsets, trying to stay prepared in case they face the same bans that hit Huawei back in 2019. Back then, Huawei was forced into this situation. But today, they've turned that pressure into progress. They're not just surviving without US tech, they're thriving. And now they're taking on Microsoft and Apple straight up. So yeah, Huawei just launched a PC operating system, and this might be the start of a whole new tech war. Let me know what you think. Will HarmonyOS PCs ever compete with Windows and macOS globally, or is this going to stay in China? Either way, Huawei just took another bold step, and the rest of the world is watching.